Hello coders, welcome to India Moon channel. In this particular video we understand what is HTML elements and types of elements. An HTML element is a component of an HTML document that tells a web browser how to structure and interpret a part of the HTML document. HTML elements are created with tags in the code itself. HTML elements can be broadly categorized into two as below. Container tag consists of opening tag plus content plus closing tag. They are used to enclose texts and images. Container tag always comes with content. Empty elements are used to insert the content. Empty tags can be used inside the container tags. Some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Let us see the further classification of HTML elements. HTML elements can be further categorized into two as below. Block element. A block element begins on a new line occupying the entire width of the parent tag. Inline element. An inline element occupies the necessary space to accommodate the content in the element. Inline elements can be nested within other inline elements, whereas block elements cannot be nested within inline elements. Some of the examples are illustrated below. We will learn all these elements later in this course.